Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Temitope and this is T Plus Kitchen. If you are new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on all my videos. Today I'll be showing you how I'm going to make very delicious stir fry noodles. This recipe won't take more than 5 minutes, so come along with me. Let's cook together and see what I'll be making today. Please check the description box below to see all the ingredients that I used for this recipe. I'll make sure to put everything that I used in the description box below, so check it out and see what I'll be using for this recipe. hope you enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click on the thumbs up button and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on all of my videos. Thank you once again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.